In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to improve how you manage your business operations, knowing how to create teams within your HubSpot account can significantly enhance your workflow and organization. So let's get started on this quick and easy setup process. First, you need to navigate to HubSpot's official homepage. This is where you begin your journey into organizing your teams more efficiently. You can find HubSpot by opening your web browser and typing in HubSpot's URL or simply searching for it. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. After clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready, and then proceed by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub for all activities and settings. Now from the HubSpot home, the next step is to find the settings option. You can typically find this by looking for an icon that resembles a gear. Click on it and it will take you into the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your HubSpot account, including users and teams. Once you are in the settings menu, look for the users and teams section. Clicking on this will lead you into an area dedicated to managing all the users and teams that exist in your HubSpot environment. This section is crucial for organizing how people are structured within your company setup. With users and teams open, the next step is to find and click on the teams option. This will transition you to the dedicated area where you can see existing teams and create new ones. Creating teams allows you to group users based on departments, projects, or any other organizational parameters. After clicking on Teams, you should see a Create Team button. Click this button to initiate the creation of a new team. You will be given the opportunity to name your team, and if applicable, add a description to help distinguish it from other teams. Make sure to give it a relevant name that everyone in your organization will immediately recognize. Finally, once you've named your team and filled out any pertinent information, click on Save to complete the creation process. Saving will finalize your new team's addition to your HubSpot account, making it ready for use. And there you have it, you've successfully created a team in HubSpot. This simple process ensures that your organizational structure is clearly defined and that everyone knows their roles, which helps maintain seamless communication and efficiency in your business operations. If you have any other questions about managing teams or other features in HubSpot, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for support. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.